wanna take you out, show you the time of your life. I wanna figure out what it takes to give you everything you desire. I wanna lay beneath the stars with you in the back of my truck. I guess that this is what they call love. Baby, you've been driving me crazy for so long now. I've been waiting on the sidelines, praying for the right time to let you know.
Onderop.
Never thought I'd be so far from home. Never thought our love could grow so cold. Never thought we had to run through burning fire. Never thought I had to miss you and I. Life changes as we know it. You do what you can, you just get through it. It's a mystery how people can get by on as little love as you and I. Never thought I'd be so far from home. Never thought our love could grow so cold. Never thought we had to run through burning fire. Never thought I had to miss you and I.
Schlauerweise wäre ich da lang gelaufen. Naja.
Warte, hältst fest, ja? Ich muss höher auf den da. So. Ja.
I call you up in the middle of the night. Been bothered by dreams, ain't feeling alright. You give me comfort, say just give it some time. By the end of our talk, I'm feeling just fine. You and I will always know where we belong. This ain't no ordinary love we got going on. I'll pick you up in my 59 Ford. We head on down the road until we get bored. Just you and me and the sun and the wind. If the rain should start falling, we'll head on home again. Everybody else can see where we belong. Oh, ain't no ordinary love we got going on. At the end of the world, together forever is one, and I'll wait. If ever you should be in doubt, and I'll pray they never can pull us apart. Forever young, or am I faking? On the tip of my tongue, there's a sarcasm waiting for you. I'm willing to trade my soul for a bit of your charm. There's no way I'm
Ja, aber komm danach wieder im Garten.
Oh Gott.
Wenn du es eh nicht hinkriegst, dann komm doch zu mir. Wenn du es eh nicht hinkriegst, dann komm zu mir. Wenn du es nicht hinkriegst, dann komm doch zu mir. Wenn du es eh nicht hinkriegst. Komm jetzt runter, dann können wir mich einfach
Ah, Süße sofort. Ah.
Ich glaube, du musst dich erst mal abkühlen.
Ja, ich muss erst mal erholen, muss ich mich. Wo ist mein Sauerstoffzelt? Was?
Erstmal musstest du dich in der Hängematte legen.
Ich soll mich erstmal in der Hängematte legen?
Ja.
Ja, besser wär's.